ang gagawin mo? Simple. Buuin natin yung planong yan, i-invite natin yung Muntinlupa Chamber of Commerce. Ilatag nyo yung planong yan sa kanila. Ang simpleng tanong, anong gusto mong pondohan? With all the great activities that we have in mind, at nilatag natin sa kanila yan, nilatag natin kay Mayor yan, nilatag natin kay Governor, kay Congressman yan. The question is, anong gusto nilang pondohan? Because all of these activities may die. Agree ako dyan. Pwedeng hindi mangyari. But will we allow it simply because we lack the funds? College? Bakit? Ibig po kasi sabihin nito, hindi isa, dalawa, tatlong tao ang magtatrabaho to make things work. And the three words will be organic words, I hope. Why? Because it will and it needs to live inside the heart of each and every one in this room. If you agree with me, clap once. Clap twice! Clap three times! Yeah! Take some commitment. Ayan na. Ganito po nagtatapos sa lahat ng seminar. Kailangan po mag-fill up kayo evaluation sheet. At kung maaari po, kung nag-enjoy kayo o kung hindi kayo nag-enjoy, help us. Help us to improve the way we do our seminars. Tell us how we can improve. Alright? Now, kung gusto niyo naman po yung nangyari, pakisabi po bakit. So that we will know.
Ano daw? Wala rin ang ball pen.
Okay, please give a round of applause to Mr. Cornel Bongo. Thank you for staying with us. In fact, he will be leaving back to Manila. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Sisibat na po siya. Ayos na po siya. So maraming salamat, Sir Cornel. Till next time.
Video and video.
Sir Cornel, may nilainan na po tayo. Yung take your snahan na before you leave. Okay, while you are filling up our evaluation form, you can take your snack na. We have hinahalong ginataang halo-halo. Halo-halo, ano? Halo-halong with ginataan. Okay, sige po, pwede na po kayo mag-merienda. Kain na po kayo while you are